Today I want to talk about one of the reasons, and this is the fact that actually people spend less and less time with other people, There's no real human involved in people's lives anymore, not as it used to be. People spend much more time online instead of spending it with other people. I mean, it's probably happened to you too, and I think it's happened to everybody, not only to the young generation, which is like, but also for, like, I'm Generation X. I think for us it's also like we changed our habits, we changed the way we live, we changed a lot of things. If you take a human baby and put it in a forest, and some animals are going to take care of it, hopefully, and somehow it survives without humans, it will never be a human being. It will look like human, but it will never be human. It will not talk like human, it will not communicate like human, it will not think like human, it will not be human, you know that? So to be human, you have to have people around you. You have to have contact with other people. And nowadays you see people online and they are kind of like happy, It's nice you look. They seem to be kind of happy not to have anybody in their lives. They're like, I don't have any friends and I'm so happy, or I don't have nobody in my life, like no family, nothing, and I'm so happy and stuff. First of all, probably those people have somebody in their lives, If they don't have friends, maybe they still have family, They have children, or they have parents, or they have siblings, they have, like, I don't know, work colleagues, they have some people around, So to say that they don't have any kind of people around them would probably be a lie if they say like that, So I have some people around me. I also have some people around me right now, and also a dog. Yeah, so to say that you don't have any people in your life and you're happy, this is probably a lie, because what made you human is human beings around you, communication with them, learning from them, At the same time, this thing that when people used to have some difficult relationship, toxic relationship, whatever relationship, when they felt really bad in the relationship, then there can be a moment for them that when they are finally alone, that they feel this peace, they feel this kind of freedom, to do what they want. Like, they should have been free also in the relationship, but yeah, it's not so easy, right? I'm also a human, so I know the challenge. And so there can be some feeling of peace and freedom for a while when you get rid of some toxic friends or toxic relationship or toxic whatever. Then, yeah, of course you might feel like, oh, cool, I'm so happy alone. But it's just a fate. It's like a step on the way, It's like a healing process. It's like you need some solitude for a while, especially after a relationship, even if it was a good one, and especially if it was not a good one. Then you need some peace. You need some healing, And this might take a while. And people might think, I've never been so happy in my life being alone. Well, that only tells about the quality of relationships you used to have, because if they were really bad, then of course you feel happy alone, yeah. But at the same time, hopefully, after having some peace in your life, after having this kind of like freedom, and, I really hope that at some point you can come to this time when you can say again, I'm ready for making friends, for getting to know somebody or whatever, you know, or becoming a member of some club, getting a hobby where you have to communicate with other people. I think it's a really good idea, you know. Because imagine the best moment in your life when you are alone. And then imagine the same situation, but that you can share it with somebody you love. A good friend, a partner, you know, spouse, a husband, you know, your children, your parents, somebody you love, you know, or just somebody you like. The same moment, but with another person you care about. It's a different experience. And the best moments in your life, I bet, were when you were together with people you care about, with your family, some friends, or, you know, some community. I bet the best moment in your lives were with other people. And if it was alone, it was probably this process of having peace and having... It's important to have peace with yourself. It's very important. If you have peace in, like, if I have peace and you have peace, like, people have peace of mind with themselves, they're actually very good relationship material, because if they have like a need to be with somebody, then it's a problem, of course. So it's very healthy to enjoy peace. But it's also good to, at some point, to understand that we need other people if you want to be human. And if you want to make like a difference, if you want to make our life meaningful, then we also need people, because we can help somebody, we can share our life with some other people, you know. And this way our life becomes meaningful, by sharing with other people. So other people are not only the reason we are human, but also the reason we are happy. And so I wish everybody to have peace and enjoy being alone, but also having meaningful connections in life, and in real life, not only online, but in a real life, like meeting real people and enjoying time together, you know. And this you can do. You can become a member of some community, some hobby, you know. There's so many things you can do together with other people. It's available for everybody. So I wish you to be happy. I wish you to stay human. I wish you to feel more connected to other people and to have more real connections and meaningful connections with other people. And if you like it here on this channel, where we talk about real things, and if you want to like keep human qualities, stay human, and have reasonable, you know, connections and stuff, then consider checking out some other videos on this channel. And yeah, it's mostly for people in midlife and second half of life, because like I'm 48 and there are a lot of grown-up topics here on this channel. Hopefully I will see you in another video. See you there.